Freeze warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 29 expected. Where? Carroll, Madison in Oklahoma, Ottawa, Delaware, Cherokee, Adair and Sequoia counties. In Arkansas, Benton, Washington, Carroll, Madison and Crawford and Franklin counties. Pushmataha, Haskell, Latimer and LaFleur counties. In Arkansas, Sebastian County, portions of central, eastern, north central and western Arkansas, portions of central, east central, south central, southwest and west central Missouri. When? From 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Impacts. These conditions will kill plants and other tender vegetation that are left outdoors or unprotected. Precautionary preparedness actions. Precautions should also be taken to protect small plants and tender vegetation. If you have plants, small trees or other tender vegetation which could be harmed by a freeze, take the time now to protect them. Potted plants normally left outdoors should be covered or brought inside away from the cold. Freeze warning is in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Thursday. Freezing temps are expected tonight into Thursday morning across NWAR and portions of southeast and far eastern Oklahoma where skies are expected to clear and winds go light. There is more uncertainty regarding cloud cover farther west across the rest of East Oklahoma tonight. Freezing temperatures are expected over a wider area Thursday night into Friday morning. Protect your tender vegetation. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. Day 1, this evening and tonight. Poor visibility. Risk, limited. Area, northwest Arkansas and parts of southeast and far eastern Oklahoma. Onset, after midnight. Discussion. Cloud cover is expected to slowly scatter out overnight tonight across northwest Arkansas and also parts of eastern Oklahoma. In response, a light freeze is forecast over much of northwest Arkansas and also parts of southeast and far eastern Oklahoma. A freeze warning is in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Thursday for these locations. Precautions should be taken to protect small plants and tender vegetation. Also within areas where cloud cover clears tonight, patchy areas of fog will be possible late tonight into Thursday morning. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement. Spotter activation not expected. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, dense fog potential. Friday through Tuesday, no hazards. Extended discussion. Patchy areas of fog will remain possible into Thursday morning across parts of northwest Arkansas and also eastern Oklahoma. Freezing temperatures are expected over a larger area Thursday night into early Friday morning. Gusty south winds will return by early next week with above normal temperatures.